All right, guys, so here she is in all her glory. I don't want to reveal it just yet, but I will here in a minute. Say what's up, JC.
What up? I had to join the fun over here. So got me one too.
JC just copied me and got a 500, so he's gonna swap everything. Oh my God! Wow! Hey guys, so I've noticed that a lot of the traffic that is coming to these videos is from people who are not subscribed. So if you're not watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you can keep up with the latest updates on this build and others. What's up, guys? So we are back. We're actually heading to MSR Houston right now. I don't know if you can see it yet, and I don't want to reveal it just yet, but I will here in a minute. The 400 has been painted. My buddy Michael Larson, who is, I consider him a professional, but he would say he's a hobbyist painter. He did a great job. He knocked it out the park. I think the bike looks really good. It matches the original color scheme, which is kind of what I was going for, as well as, most importantly, it has the requirement of the Kawasaki green, which is one of the requirements for cashing in or qualifying for Kawasaki's contingency program, which I am a part of this year. I'm very excited about that, so it gives me something to race for.
Hey, number one!
Want to update you guys on the build, show you what I've done, show you what's come together, and a few other things I'm still waiting to do. All right, guys, so here she is in all her glory. We got a nice setup for the AIM Solo now. I used a ram mount. Show you guys some more close-ups here whenever I get back to the garage. I love ram mounts. I got one right here for my GoPro as well. The front master is now fixed. Replaced it. I just used some scrap metal. I had some scrap aluminum to make this little hanger, and I painted it very poorly, but the brakes are much better now. Should be good to go there. We swapped the gearing here. We think that creates a lot more power in the mid-range. It even felt like it. Just riding it right now, I mean, with the body work and the gear swap, I'm already going almost a mile per hour faster on the GPS, so that's good. So I was kind of only around my 400 speed. But the track's starting to come in. It's kind of like a partly cloudy day, but sun wants to come out now. So the track's coming in, and we're going to try to push a little bit on this session. Just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
12 seconds later.
What's up, guys? So you saw the picture. Yeah, I just tucked the front on the 400. It wasn't even, I was just doing a couple of chill laps. It was on my out lap. And I think that the front, that's why tires are so important, and trying not to ride around old tires is also important. So it's funny, is right before JC left, he was like, dude, your tires are cooked. Just be careful. I mean, you know? And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just take it easy or whatever. Just do a few laps and then pack up or whatever. And I even had a half a mind of like, yeah, the tires are cooked. I should probably just head out now. But I just wanted to run one more, ride with a good buddy. So, yep, ended up doing it. And we were just barely moving, and the front just absolutely just washed. I don't know if it was, it's hard to say. I tried to save it, but it just washed out on me. Overall, the bike is actually completely fine. Really just a rear set foot peg, which I have a spare of, and just the bodywork with some scuffing. I just wanted to remind you guys that it's very important to pay attention to your machinery and make sure it's operating the way it should for the way that you're going to ride. Because in the case of when you're trying to like push on or just trying to ride on something that you know is cooked or not working correctly, it's inevitable to crash, you know. So use me as an example and don't do what I did, I guess you could say. Next time you see me, we will be at race weekend. So get ready, guys. We're gonna try to put this bike to see what it does. Let's see what it does in that class. So hopefully shakes things up a little bit, and I'm excited to race it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It makes a big difference for the channel. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Please hit that like button. Please hit that bell button. It makes the channel and the algorithm work way better. So thank you. I truly appreciate you watching. Later.